Welcome. This is archiving or deleting a class, and before we do that, we're going to talk a little bit about it. So at the end of a semester or school year, you can archive classes on Google Classroom when you're finished. You can unarchive a class if you want to use it again, or you can delete an archived class if you never want to use it again. If you don't archive classes, they still appear on your classroom homepage and on students' homepages. Students can't archive any classes. When you archive a class, it's placed on a separate area to preserve the class materials, student work, and posts. You no longer see it among your active classes on the homepage. You and your students can view an archived class. To use the class again, such as the post, assignments, and so on, you have to unarchive it. So who can archive a class? The teachers and the co-teachers only can archive a class. If they do, it's archived for all teachers. Students can view archived classes, but no one can use the class unless it's unarchived. So when a class is archived or deleted, you and your students can still access any class files in Google Drive, including any attachments for assignments or student work. So let's try on this class. We're going to go up to the class card, click on the More dots, and find Archive. Here we are at the bottom. Now we'll confirm that we want to archive this course, and it has disappeared. Now we can find under our list of classes, we'll go down to our archive classes, and here's the class that we just archived. Now we could restore our class by clicking on Restore, and we would click on Restore and confirm that. So we've restored it, or we can delete. So only when the class is in the archived classes can we delete the coursework. So if we really wanted to delete this, we would click on it, and we'll go ahead and do that. And now we've deleted this coursework. Now there's no way to undo deleting a class. Once we click delete, we'll no longer have access to any class posts or comments. However, we can still access any class files in our drive. Thank you for watching.